Welcome to MotorCraveReview, your trusted guide for the best car accessories and tools. Today, we're diving deep into the FIXD Bluetooth OBD2 scanner, a compact tool that claims to save you hundreds on car diagnostic. But, does it really work? Let's find out. The FIXD OBD2 scanner is a Bluetooth car code reader that plugs into your vehicle's OBD2 port and sends real-time diagnostic data to your smartphone. It works with both iPhone and Android and supports nearly all cars and trucks made in 1996 or newer. So, if your car has an engine light on, this device can tell you why, in seconds. When you open the box, you'll find the FIXD scanner itself, small, lightweight, and portable. A simple quick start guide. That's it. No wires, no clutter. Just plug and play. Using FIXD is incredibly easy. Plug it into your car's OBD2 port, usually under the steering wheel. Download the FIXD app from the App Store or Google Play. Turn on Bluetooth and connect. Once connected, FIXD lets you read and clear check engine codes. Track real-time sensor data. Get alerts for maintenance issues. Understand problems in simple language. It's perfect for beginners and DIYers. I tested the FIXD scanner on a 2015 Toyota Corolla. When the check engine light came on, FIXD quickly diagnosed it as a catalytic converter issue, code P0420. The app gave me a detailed explanation and possible solutions. After fixing the problem, I cleared the code directly from my phone. Plus, I could track live engine data like temperature and fuel usage. It saved me a trip to the mechanic. Pros: very easy to use. No cables, fully wireless. Works with most vehicles. Clean, user-friendly app. Affordable for its features. Cons: some features lock behind FIXD Premium. Not designed for diesel or heavy-duty trucks. In my opinion, the FIXD Bluetooth OBD2 scanner is one of the best budget diagnostic tools for everyday driving. If you want to save money on diagnostics and monitor your car from your phone, this tool is a must-have. Right finger grab your FIXD scanner now. The Amazon link is in the description. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching MotorCraveReview. Check out our next video comparing FIXD with other top-rated OBD2 scanners.